Hey guys, today I'm making creamy chicken and mushroom soup. In a pot on high heat, add in your oil and butter. Allow the butter to melt, then add in your onion as well as your crushed garlic. Mix it well and allow the onion to fry till it's slightly golden in color and translucent. Then add in your chicken, fresh herbs, and some salt and pepper. The type of chicken you use is entirely up to you. You could even do it with the bone on. I'm using deboned drumsticks and thighs. Mix it well and allow this to cook till the chicken starts to brown slightly. Then add in your mushrooms. Mix it well and allow this to cook with the lid on for about a minute to allow the mushroom to release its liquid. Mix this occasionally till the water dries up completely. Then add in your flour, mix it in well and allow this to cook for a few seconds to get rid of the raw flour taste. Then add in your chicken stock, mix it slightly and allow it to heat through a little. Then add in your cream and mix it in well. Taste your soup for salt and pepper and adjust the seasoning accordingly. Mix it well and allow it to boil for 5 minutes and then it's ready to serve. Garnish with fresh dill or parsley and enjoy.